see them when they get down below that tree line.
Got a lot of obstruction out here.
You killed one?
Yeah, he's still alive, but I shot him. Hopefully he won't dive underwater. I'm gonna be skeptical. Avery, you see that white? That looks like a duck's belly up against that tree.
Looks too big. I don't think I can see it from
That right there?
No, Avery, look, turn around. Turn around. See all the way down there at the end, right over there?
Yeah.
He might have drifted up right along here.
All right, keep your eyes peeled, Avery.
Is that him right there?
That's him.
Yeah.
Avery, can you reach down there and pick him up? On your knees, do not stand up. On your knees, do not stand up.
Move that box out of your way.
Ooh, that's a female.
That is a female.
Get a little closer. Okay, stop.
Bring her in. There you go. Don't stand up.
Oh.
Look, turn around, squat, turn around. All right, grab a hold of that rail. Very good. All right, let's hold him up and get a picture for Mama.
Yeah. This is not alive like that other one.
Here, hold him up, or hold her up.
This one's not alive like the other one was.
All right, very good. We got our duck, y'all.